If you are completely new to digital marketing, then I have something to share with you. Okay, many of the individuals who call me inquiring for the digital marketing course, they do not know what all is included in this digital marketing course. I want to talk about the types of digital marketing subjects included in this course. If any of those institutes you would have called for the digital marketing course, they would have definitely told you what all subjects you are going to learn. And just to repeat, you will be learning SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. PPC stands for Pay Per Click Marketing, or we also call it as Google Ads. Third is Social Media Marketing. Fourth is Email Marketing. Fifth is Affiliate Marketing. Sixth is Video Marketing. And seventh is your display advertising or display marketing. And then at last, it's very important for you to learn Google Analytics. But then the challenge over here is learning so many subjects, which is a part of a digital marketing course. How easy and how easy or how simple it is. In that case, I would suggest you that sometimes it's better that you understand what is important for your job, what is important for the company when they try to recruit or they try to hire a digital marketer, and sometimes keeping your subject specific to those requirements only, because these are all specialization courses. All the subjects by themselves are very, very vast, and it takes a lot of time to understand. And I do know that it's important for us to teach all of those things, but then might be a certain subject we can still skip. Understanding that, I want to more focus on those subjects which are very important for my job career, for my future projects, for my future objective and everything. So in that case, I would say it's very important for you to at least learn this 3 or 4 subjects, even if you have not learned the other subject, and those are SEO is very, very important. PPC, Google AdWords is very important. Social media marketing is very important. And then I can directly ask you to jump on to Google Analytics. And then even if you're skipping email marketing, affiliate marketing, video marketing, display advertising, that would still be okay, because video marketing, which is very essential, also is included within your Google AdWords subject from the point of paid marketing. So the other aspects of video marketing, even if you're not learning, that is completely okay. But at least from the point of a subject that you should learn to do video advertising through paid marketing is very essential. So if this much of subject you are completely aware of, if you are very good at, then not knowing the other subject, I would still say go for it. I would still ask you to go for it, because digital marketing is so very vast, and just learning the subject from the point of a definition or an understanding will not be sufficient, because you need to be very good with the theoretical understanding, be hands-on practical, and be confident to apply the same in your live project practice. So applying so many learnings in your live project practice, that also in the span of 3 to 4 months would not be an ideal timeline. So I would suggest you that if you are looking for a digital marketing course, at least make sure that you completely focus and concentrate on this 4 subjects.